It takes years to master cornering, so practice, practice, practice. Traction means everything when you're riding a motorcycle, and you always want to have it to stay in control of your bike. Hi, I'm personal injury attorney Mike Lombardi. Today, I want to talk about how you can maintain traction by correctly negotiating a corner. Failure to do this successfully is the second most frequent cause of motorcycle accidents. Here are some tips on staying safe while cornering. If you have foot pegs, you want to be on the balls of your feet in the turn for maximum leverage. You also want to be sure that no part of your foot touches the ground. Prior to turning, put your body in the position you want it to be in the middle of the corner. You don't want to be moving your body around during a turn because you could lose your balance and topple over. Make sure your body center line is always to the inside of the bike's center line. Use your inside arm to steer the bike once inside the turn so it's not competing for control with your other arm. Any directional changes should only be made with the inside arm. You always want to adjust your speed before going into the curve. If you go into it too fast, you can lose traction. You want to be sure to be at the correct speed for the bend before you make a turn, so be gentle with the throttle. Use the appropriate gear and select the correct line through the corner. When you approach a corner, you should brake easily. That will keep your bike stable and help maintain your traction. If you grab the brakes, you're going to lose traction. You want to do the most of your braking before, not during the turn, and then tilt your bike. It takes a lot of energy to just steer out of a turn, and you could lose traction. Instead, when you're coming out of the corner, use a little throttle and a little steering. That will help you and the bike stay upright. Wait until the bike is completely vertical before slowly adjusting your body back into your normal sitting position. This will help minimize any excessive suspension movement caused by weight shifts. Unfortunately, no matter how responsibly and capable you are for driving your motorcycle, accidents do happen. If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident that wasn't your fault, please give me a call or text me at Mike Lombardi Injury Attorneys so we can discuss your case and answer any questions you might have. We are experienced motorcycle accident attorneys and want to help you in any way that we can.
Mike Lombardi is the way to go. Call 600-0000.